Hello everyone, welcome you all in grammar class. I got some message from my chat box that some students want to know about non-finite and exercise from PVC compactor. In our today's class, we will discuss about non-finites, types of non-finite, infinitive, gerund and participle, and the last we will discuss the exercise related to non-finite, infinitive, classroom assignment 65. So, let's move to the definition first. Before moving to the definition, let's take a look at the following sentences. I want to go, he wants to go, they wanted to go. In the above sentences, the verb to go is not limited by the number, person, or tense of the subject. Therefore, to go is called non-finite verb. The verb forms that do not change with the change in the number and person of the subject or due to change of tense are known as non-finite. Two kinds of verb is there. First one is finite verbs, second one is non-finite verbs. What is finite verb? That agrees in number and person with its subject. Like some examples are given here. Ram plays football, I play football, they play football. Here no effect is there. Verb got change according to the subject. Now what are non-finite verbs? No, these verbs not limited by the number and person of the subject. These verbs function as noun, adjective or adverb. Examples we have already discussed. Now, here are three types of non-finite verbs. First one is infinitives, second one gerund, and the third one is participles. In our class, we will discuss the exercise related to infinitives. In infinitive, we have two types. First one is infinitive with to, and the second one is infinitive without to. Now move to the exercise. Here is classroom assignment 65 part A. Fill in the blanks with the correct forms of the infinitives given in brackets. First sentence is he used to live in Delhi. Here used is used as a modal auxiliary. In modal auxiliaries, used is always followed by an infinitive with to. Next sentence, the teacher made me do the exercise again. With verb made, we use infinitive without to. Third sentence, the teacher told me to do the exercise again. Fourth sentence, I want to go home now. Here, want is transitive verb. As object to a transitive verb, we always use the infinitive with to. Next sentence, if you are not well, you ought to see a doctor. Ought is always followed by an infinitive with to. Next sentence, if you are not well, you should see a doctor. Here should is modal auxiliary, so we will use the infinitive without to. Next, seventh sentence, don't let it fall. After the modal auxiliaries, do, does and did, we always use infinitive without to. Next sentence, my parents don't allow me to watch television. If we want to restrict some person to do something, then we always use infinitive with to. Next, ninth sentence, she is expected to arrive in a few days. In this sentence, as object to a transitive verb, we use the infinitive with to. The last sentence is here. Will you please help me tidy up the room? In next B and C exercises, we have to fill in the blanks with the two infinitive form of the verb given in the brackets. We just use to with the main verb. Now moving to the last exercise, we have to rewrite the following sentences using the introductory 8. First sentence is, She was rude to say that. It was rude of her to say that. She is here, that's why we write her here. He was stupid to forget the password. It was stupid of him. He is here to forget the password. Reading his writing is impossible. It is impossible to read his writing. Smoking is harmful. It is harmful to smoke. Ravi was very kind to help me. It was very kind of Ravi to help me. Last sentence is life without air is impossible. It is impossible to live without air. That's all about this exercise.